AutoDS is a dropshipping tool that syncs inventory from suppliers, for example Amazon, AliExpress, to your store, for example Shopify. The out-of-stock OOS issue occurs when AutoDS detects no stock on the source site due to sync delays, mapping errors, or settings conflicts. Here's how to fix it. 1. Check supplier stock log into AutoDS dashboard. Products page. Filter by OOS status. Click the product. Verify availability on the source site, like Amazon ASIN link. If in stock, wait 30 to 60 minutes for AutoDS's next scan. It rescans periodically. 2. Fix mapping and sync. Ensure the product is correctly mapped. Products. Edit. Check source ID, ASIN, SKU, matches the supplier. Enable monitoring, supplier settings, toggle, stock monitoring, on for that source. Manual resync, click rescan or push to store, force update. 3. Adjust store settings, for example Shopify. In Shopify, products, edit item, inventory, uncheck, track quantity. Makes it always in stock. Use cautiously to avoid overselling. Reconnect AutoDS app, Shopify, apps, AutoDS, reinstall or refresh connection. 4. Resolve conflicts. Check for low stock rules or shipping issues in AutoDS settings. Block if conflicting, e.g. only expedited shipping available. If persistent, contact AutoDS support, chat, email with product ID, often a quick backend fix.